Hi everyone, welcome back to Shala Varma classes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a progress tracker using Excel charts. Imagine you have multiple tasks with different targets, and you need to visually track progress. Here's how. Step 1. Input your data, tasks, targets, and completed values. Step 2. Use a simple formula to calculate progress percentage. Step 3. Select the data and create a bar chart from the Insert tab. Finally, customize the chart to give it a professional look. And that's it. A simple yet powerful progress tracker in Excel. Like, share, and subscribe for more such tips on Shala Varma classes. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Shala Varma classes. In today's video, I'll show you how to visualize monthly expenses using a pie chart in Excel. Step 1. Enter your expense categories and their amounts into a table. Step 2. Select the data and create a pie chart from the Insert tab. Step 3. Customize your chart. Add a title, labels, and color schemes to make it stand out. And there you have it, a clear visualization of where your money goes each month. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shala Varma classes for more Excel tutorials. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Shala Varma classes. Today, I'll show you how to create a dynamic chart in Excel using drop-down menus. Step 1. Set up your data. Include categories like sales and profit. Step 2. Add a drop-down menu using data validation. Step 3. Create named ranges and link them to a dynamic chart. Now, you can switch between data columns effortlessly and analyze your data like a pro. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, share, and subscribe to Shala Varma classes for more.